Welcome to Crypto Chronicles, your go-to channel for all things crypto, NFTs, and blockchain. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Baby Luffy, a unique blend of gaming and crypto in a click-to-earn adventure.
Disclaimer: the content on this YouTube channel is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Cryptocurrency, NFTs, and blockchain investments carry risks. Do thorough research and consult professionals before making any investment decisions. The creators of this channel are not liable for any losses incurred. Viewers should exercise caution and take personal responsibility for their investments.
Welcome to Baby Luffy, where gaming meets crypto in a click-to-earn adventure. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the fascinating world of Baby Luffy. You can find all the details and links in the description below. Now, let's get a quick overview of Baby Luffy. Imagine a world where NFTs, treasure boxes, and exciting giveaways come together in a seamless experience. If you're interested in joining the adventure, check the contact details in the description for buying Baby Luffy. Next up, let's explore the NFT cards in the Baby Luffy universe. These cards come in 4 distinct rarities: common, rare, epic, and legendary. Each card holds the key to your success and adds an element of thrill to your journey. Legendary, epic, rare, common, these are the cards that will shape your destiny. Now, let's take a look at the roadmap, the backbone of any successful crypto project. Baby Luffy's development has been meticulously planned across 3 stages. Stage 1 involves the inception of the project, core team formation, community building, and essential partnerships. They've even created a whitepaper to guide the community and educate them about the project. Stage 2 kicks off with the presale, leading to the launch on PancakeSwap, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and DigiFinex listings. Massive marketing efforts and a CertiK audit in progress ensure a secure and visible presence. Finally, Stage 3 introduces the DApp and click-to-earn game launch, along with DApp radar listing and continuous updates. The team plans to renounce ownership, emphasizing their commitment to a decentralized future. Now, let's dive into the whitepaper, where the Baby Luffy ecosystem comes to life. From a gaming adventure that rewards skills and strategy, to a plethora of NFTs showcasing achievements and surprise-filled treasure boxes, Baby Luffy promises a unique experience. Joining the $BLF community not only means engaging in a click-to-earn adventure but also participating in lucky draws for exclusive rewards. Are you ready to be part of the Baby Luffy revolution? Your adventure awaits. Behind this ambitious project is a proactive core team led by CEO Cesar Boaventura. Their dedication to keeping investors informed about development progress and marketing plans ensures transparency and trust. Investors and partners play a crucial role in the Baby Luffy journey. With cards representing common, rare, epic, and legendary partnerships, the project collaborates with names like BlockSFU, Bitcoin Revolution, CoinGecko, BNB Chain, PancakeSwap, and many more. For those eager to get in touch, you can reach out to Baby Luffy through caesar.ceo@babyluffy.com, italo.cto@babyluffy.com, or contact@babyluffy.com. Don't forget to follow their Twitter and Telegram accounts for the latest announcements. That wraps up our exploration of Baby Luffy. If you're as excited as I am, hit the like button, subscribe for more crypto content, and join the Baby Luffy community. Until next time, happy investing!